This estate auction presents a unique opportunity to own a raised ranch home located at 55 Bonanza Park Drive in Colchester, Vermont. The auction will take place on Wednesday, June 4th, 2025, starting at 11 in the morning and concluding at noon. Prospective buyers are invited to an open house on Wednesday, May 21st, from 11 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon, to explore the property. This charming home, built in 1971, is set on approximately 0.35 acres and offers 1,132 square feet of living space. It features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and 2 fireplaces, adding to its cozy ambience. The partially finished basement provides additional space for a home office, recreation room, or extra storage. Outdoor living is enhanced by a 14 by 16 enclosed porch and a utility shed added in 2016. Conveniently located within walking distance of local amenities such as restaurants, coffee shops, grocery stores, shops, churches, playgrounds, and schools, this property ensures that everything you need is just steps away. Additionally, it is only 1.5 miles from the scenic Lake Champlain, offering lifestyle, location, and potential all in one package. Contact us today for more information.